Introducing the AEF 801 Dualflush automatic flushing system for urinals and toilets. The AEF 801 Dualflush is easy to install, uses a reliable patented mechanism, and includes unique features that make it the most efficient and economical automatic flushing system available. Pre-installation. The installation procedure is the same for a urinal or toilet. In this video, we will be showing the installation done on a urinal. First, you want to identify the flushometer, either a Sloan or a Zern. Next, check the box label and make sure you have the correct configuration. Open the box and make sure all of the parts are there. Your kit may include a handle cap or a push-button conversion kit. For installation, you will need a smooth-jawed wrench, a flathead screwdriver, the black plastic wrench, and Allen wrench. Preparing the flushometer for installation. Before you proceed, make sure that the urinal flushes properly and is not damaged in any way. Remove the stop cap using the smooth-jawed wrench. Turn the water off using a flathead screwdriver by turning the stop screw clockwise. Then release the pressure in the chamber by pressing down on the flush handle once. Use a smooth-jawed wrench to loosen the top brass cover. Remove the top brass cover, the inside plastic cover, the relief valve, and the diaphragm assembly. It is always recommended to replace the complete diaphragm assembly with a new diaphragm assembly to assure proper operation. Install the new diaphragm. Handle options. Keep the handle on as an alternate flush option. Installing the handle cap. Using the black plastic wrench included in the kit, remove the flush handle assembly. Then install the handle cap and tighten with the black plastic wrench. Using the push-button conversion kit. Using the black plastic wrench included in the kit, remove the flush handle assembly and red washer. Use the middle part of the black plastic wrench to disassemble the flush handle assembly. Remove the handle from the flush handle assembly and replace it with the push button. Now remove the old hard spring from the handle assembly and replace it with the new soft spring. Reassemble the new push-button assembly and tighten using the middle part of the black plastic wrench. Reinstall the new push-button assembly and red washer into the flushometer and tighten with the black plastic wrench. You have now converted the flush handle into a true mechanical push button. Dualflush installation. Remove the ball relief valve from the box and drop it inside the diaphragm assembly. Now remove the electronic module and separate it from the top metal cover. Insert the electronic module on top of the diaphragm assembly, facing forward, then place the top metal cover over the electronic module. Use the locking ring to lock the sensor unit into place. Tighten the locking ring very tight using the black plastic wrench. Now remove the battery cover and make sure that there is no water in the battery compartment. If there is, wipe it off with a dry cloth. Install the batteries. A red light indicator will blink once when batteries are properly installed. Reinstall the battery cover. To make any switch adjustments, please refer to the guide sticker inside the battery cover or in the instruction manual. To increase the sensor angle, use a small screwdriver and turn the angle adjustment screw clockwise until desired angle is achieved. Insert the sensor window and latch into place using the Allen wrench included with the kit. Now insert the top screw cover into place. Turn the water back on using the flathead screwdriver by turning the control stop screw counterclockwise. Reinstall the stop cap. Congratulations, you are now done with the installation. Troubleshooting. If leaking is present from the locking ring when the water is turned on, then the locking ring might be loose. You must turn the water off, press down on the handle, or activate the automatic flush valve once to remove the pressure in the chamber, and tighten the locking ring very tight. Remove the battery cover, then remove the batteries. Use a dry cloth to remove any leftover water in the battery compartment. Reinstall the batteries, close the battery compartment, and latch into place. Now turn the water back on. Reinstall the stop cap. Operation. The unit is activated when the user walks up to the urinal. A red light will flash once after a few seconds, indicating that the unit is armed. When the user walks away, the urinal will automatically flush. The flush handle or push button may be used as an alternate flushing option that will function manually even when the batteries are dead. With its unique features, its strong metal design, and easy installation procedure, The AEF 801 Dualflush is the most efficient, ideal, and complete automatic flushing system.